You've tried every oil, shampoo, and supplement out there, but every morning, you still see more hair on your pillow. What if I told you that the real solution isn't in a fancy bottle, it's sitting right in your kitchen? A simple natural ingredient that can actually wake up your sleeping hair follicles, regrow stronger strands, and restore your confidence completely naturally. In today's video, we'll uncover how this one common kitchen ingredient often ignored is packed with natural compounds proven to boost blood circulation in your scalp, reduce hair fall, and even help new hair grow faster. I'll show you exactly how to prepare it, how often to use it, and the right way to apply it for visible results without any side effects or chemical damage. So stay with me till the end, because once you understand why this works, you'll never waste money on expensive hair treatments again.
Now, before we start using anything on our hair, let's understand why this natural ingredient works so effectively. The main secret lies in onion juice. Yes, that simple kitchen ingredient we often overlook. Onion is rich in sulfur, a powerful mineral that helps boost the production of keratin, the very protein that makes up our hair strands. When your scalp lacks sulfur, hair becomes weak, brittle, and starts falling out. But when you apply fresh onion juice directly on your scalp, it increases blood circulation, nourishes the roots, and strengthens the follicles from within. Over time, this can help in reducing hair fall and even stimulate new hair growth in thinning areas. Several studies and real-life results have shown visible improvement in just a few weeks of consistent use, thicker, shinier, and stronger hair. So now let's go step by step and learn how to prepare this powerful hair remedy at home. Start by taking one medium-sized onion and peel it completely. Chop it into small pieces and blend it with 2 tablespoons of water to make a smooth paste. Next, strain the mixture using a clean cloth or fine mesh to extract the pure onion juice. Now, before applying, make sure your scalp is clean and dry. Dip a cotton ball or use your fingertips to gently massage the juice onto your scalp. Focus on areas with thinning or hair loss. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Then rinse it off using a mild shampoo for best results. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week. You can also mix onion juice with a teaspoon of coconut oil or aloe vera gel if you want to reduce the strong smell and add extra nourishment. These ingredients not only make your hair softer, but also help lock in moisture and reduce dandruff. Remember, natural remedies take time, but with consistency, you'll start to notice less hair fall, stronger roots, and visible new growth within a few weeks. And one more tip, always do a patch test before your first use, just to make sure your scalp isn't sensitive to onion juice. So there you have it.